Have you ever wondered what happens when you throw away your old electronics such as your iPhones, your computers? How do they just disappear? Well, actually, they don't disappear. They simply become something that we call e-waste or electronic waste. There are many sources of electronic waste, but let's just have a look at the top 5 sources. The first source comes from products that are used for data processing, such as your computer, or devices that are connected to the computer, such as monitors, speakers, keyboards, and printers. The second source of e-waste comes from entertainment electronic devices, such as televisions, DVDs, and CD players. The third type of electronic waste comes from communication devices, such as cell phones, landline phones, and fax. The last two types of electronic waste comes from household equipment and audio-visual components, such as vacuum cleaners, microwave ovens, VCRs, and stereo equipment. As a matter of fact, the e-waste situation is getting more serious each year. Currently, Americans throw away 140 million cell phones every year due to the rapid upgrading of products. And the number is still growing at a steady rate of 4% annually. The enormous amount of e-waste became an issue because the materials inside these old appliances, such as heavy metals, would literally take years to fully decompose in a landfill, and is too precious just to let it be wasted and forgotten. Direct incineration is also not an option, as burning plastic in these old appliances may result in toxic gases, such as dioxins and other persistent organic pollutants. That is why recycling of e-waste becomes so important, not only because it allows the reuse of precious resources, it also saves up a lot of landfill space. However, as most of the e-waste recycling are handled by developing countries, the recycling techniques adopted by them are usually rather primitive. Removing metals by fire and acid are some of the most common methods to be seen, and these primitive recycling methods have caused serious ground pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and damage to human health. We thank you for sticking with us and watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed this video and have a better understanding towards the e-waste situation in the world.